He added turmeric to his diet, and his joints started to crackle less. He was tired of the popping and cracking in his joints, so he started taking turmeric every single day. Today, we're going to talk about what happens when you add turmeric to your diet. And stay all the way to the end, because there are many benefits to this golden spice that you probably didn't know. Let's dive in. As we get older, our joints start to change. The cartilage starts to wear down, which causes bones to rub against each other. This can cause pain and discomfort. It can also lead to inflammation, stiffness, and limited range of motion. If left untreated, it can cause serious damage to the joint. But don't worry, there is hope. In today's video, I want to share with you a simple, easy trick to help reduce joint cracking and restore mobility and flexibility to your joints. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm an orthopedic physical therapist. I earned my doctorate degree in physical therapy, and now I help people around the world with joint pain and muscle imbalances. And this video will be helpful to you if you have joint pain and discomfort, and you'd like to try some alternative methods to help reduce your pain and increase your mobility. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so you can learn about different ways to treat joint pain and muscle imbalances without medications or surgery. So let's get started. Now, before we discuss the benefits of turmeric, let's look at the problem it can actually help you with. Joint cracking, also known as crepitus, is a common occurrence that can affect people of all ages. While it may not always be a cause for concern, persistent or frequent joint cracking can sometimes indicate underlying issues that need attention. One of the most prevalent types of joint cracking is the one that happens in the spine. When you hear those familiar popping or crackling sounds coming from your back, it can be concerning. But understanding what causes these sounds can help put your mind at ease or alert you to potential problems that need addressing. Now, there are two main types of spinal joint cracking. The first type is known as dry joint cracking. This occurs when the gases dissolved in the synovial fluid, which is found in the joints, are released. When the pressure in the joint changes, these gases come out of solution and form bubbles, creating the popping sound. The second type is known as a joint cavitation. This involves the formation of a gas bubble within the joint capsule itself. Unlike dry joint cracking, which is usually harmless, joint cavitation can sometimes indicate an underlying issue such as a meniscus tear, ligament injury, or other joint pathology. So why does it matter if your joints are cracking? Well, persistent or frequent joint cracking can sometimes indicate underlying issues. For example, some studies suggest that individuals who frequently crack their knuckles may be at an increased risk of developing arthritis. Furthermore, cracking of the facet joints in the spine has been linked to chronic pain conditions. So while an occasional crack may not be cause for alarm, paying attention to the frequency and context of joint cracking can provide valuable insights into your overall joint health. If you notice any unusual or persistent joint cracking, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare professional. They can help determine if the cracking is a normal occurrence or if it is a sign of something more serious that needs medical attention. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to heal and repair damaged tissue. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health conditions, including joint pain and diseases like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially leading to decreased joint pain and stiffness. Turmeric is an antioxidant. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. As an antioxidant, curcumin helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can harness its antioxidant properties to combat oxidative stress and promote overall joint health. Turmeric supports healthy blood flow. Good blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the joints. Improved blood flow can help nourish the tissues in your joints, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. This can lead to healthier joints and potentially alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Turmeric promotes liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from the body. A healthy liver is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Curcumin's hepatoprotective properties help support liver function, allowing it to effectively remove toxins and maintain a healthy internal environment. Turmeric helps to support brain health. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are characterized by the loss of brain function over time. Studies suggest that curcumin's neuroprotective properties may help slow the progression of these diseases by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Curcumin improves mood and reduces depression. Depression is a common mental health condition that can affect a person's overall well-being. Curcumin has been shown to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression, potentially by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a substance that supports the growth and development of brain cells. Turmeric has antimicrobial properties. It has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which can help protect against infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Curcumin enhances the immune system. A strong immune system is vital for fighting off infections and diseases. Curcumin has been shown to enhance immune function, helping the body better defend itself against pathogens and maintain overall health. Turmeric helps to regulate blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can increase the risk of developing chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. Studies show that curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. While turmeric offers numerous health benefits, there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. Consuming large amounts of turmeric may cause gastrointestinal discomfort, including nausea, diarrhea, or stomach pain. Some people may also experience mild allergic reactions, such as skin rashes or itching. Additionally, turmeric has blood-thinning properties, so it's important to avoid high doses if you're taking blood-thinning medications. Here are some practical tips for adding turmeric to your diet. You can include turmeric in your cooking. Add turmeric powder to your curries, stir-fries, or soups for both flavor and health benefits. Experiment with turmeric tea. Mix turmeric powder with hot water, honey, and lemon juice for a soothing and nutritious drink. Consider turmeric lattes. Create a golden milk or turmeric latte by simmering turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon in milk. You can drink it warm for a comforting beverage. Use turmeric in marinades. Add turmeric to your marinades for meat, poultry, or tofu dishes. Its distinct flavor and vibrant color can elevate your recipes. And here are some golden rules for using turmeric. Always use fresh turmeric for the best quality and potency. Start with small amounts and gradually increase based on your taste preferences. Store turmeric in a cool, dry place to preserve its freshness. I recommend making turmeric tea. To make turmeric tea, you'll need 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. In a cup, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 cup of boiling water. Stir well to ensure the turmeric is fully dissolved. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adjust the amount of honey based on your sweetness preference. Stir again to combine all the ingredients. Your turmeric tea is ready. Enjoy it warm. I highly recommend adding turmeric to your daily routine. It can be a simple and effective way to support joint health and overall well-being. Give it a try and experience the benefits of this remarkable golden spice. People who suffer with joint pain and discomfort often find themselves reaching for painkillers and anti-inflammatory medications. However, these medications can have significant side effects and may not be suitable for long-term use. Fortunately, nature provides us with an alternative solution. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can be a natural approach to managing joint discomfort and promoting overall joint health. In addition to medication, you should also work on improving your mobility. If you would like to learn 5 easy exercises to improve your mobility, check out the next video.